So here's the thing. As much as we do like our pets, they do a number on our walls. So you see this corner here, this guy here likes to harass my corners. Yes, he does. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put some frames up here so that this little guy right here, who looks so cute and happy, cannot, oh well, and this one too, yes. So what we're doing here is we want these two to not be able to quite wreck my corners like that. That's the plan. All protector that we're going to use. Here are the instructions. There are disposable gloves if you want to use them. There is also a primer that helps the adhesive to stick. So you see here, it is a plastic and it has adhesive here on the sides. Put it right down the corner, right down the edging. And it's going to give it this nice white color, which works because our trim is actually white. You can see down there, our trim is white. So this should match just fine. So what we can do here is take the primer, and this is actually just a wipe. Take that out there. That's a strong smell. There you go. Get a whiff of that. And that you're just going to wipe down your corner. Get that nice and ready. Then after that's done, we will get this ready to rock and roll. So let's figure out our length, and then we'll just do two that match. So we'll start that at the bottom, take it up. We actually have, I might take it the whole way up to the top there. So do it the whole way to the top. That would be to there. So what we did here is we cut them so that they were both the same length and still be beside each other on either side of the paw. So I'm going to start here at the bottom. So I get a good shot of the bottom there. All right. Lounging problem child right there. And we're going to get this started down here at the base. And we're just going to line this up down here. And then that is just going to go the whole way up through. So this is all you, buddy, because of you. And then because of it going around the edges there, I think we'll be all right to just do that like that. So I'm going to get this started here with the tape, and I'm going to actually open both sides first. That way it's there. Then I can just pull it as it goes up through. So we'll start both sides. We'll get it down here at the base as best we can to start it. There we go. Right there. And then pull up, that there. And then pull up at the back, that there. See, they're rubbing themselves on there, so there's still some hair on the corner. And we'll just keep going up through there like that. And right up there like that. He's very curious. He wants to know what I'm doing to his scratching post. There, and there we go on this side. And we can just put that right up there against that. And then keep going up through. All what I'm doing. Easy peasy. And you can see, it gives it a nice clean finish. And it has a nice, it's like a silicone. So it gives it a nice feel and look. It'll be easy to wash it off, and then voila. So, alrighty. So easy peasy. Main place got wonky there is where, and I think there's like a ding in my post right there. So that kind of complicated that a bit. Alright, so there's that side. Now we just need the next side. And again, we're going to start at the bottom, get the flat side, which is this one, and we'll start it down here with ends open. And we're going to be bending it like this against the post. And I think for this one, I want to do the front maybe a little more. Let that one get ahead a little bit since to kind of avoid what happened the last time there. Just keep the front coming up here. And then just keep going up through here. Just about done. Voila. That one did great. So you didn't have the chunk in the wall like the other side. So there you can see. Very nice. Very happy with the way that looks. It goes pretty much up toward the top. Just stops right before the curve in my ceiling. So very happy with that.